Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well and getting a little bit more comfortable with this at-home learning. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with this at-home teaching style, but I'm still in the stretch zone. So, we're all doing this together. Today, for our high frequency word or sight word review, I've supplied you with our current list again and two other activities you can try. I know last week we thought about making at-home flashcards to help us remember words we were still practicing, and we took some time to put words we didn't know or words we were still learning into sentences. And so thank you for those who shared those with me. Today we'll just review two activities that we've done in class over and over again and that you can do at home. So while there are some templates that are on Seesaw for you, they might not be easily printable, or you might want to just create it at home, and I'm going to show you how. One way we'll start off is a couple ways you can do rainbow write. So you just take a couple of crayons here, and really the color doesn't matter, the order of the rainbow doesn't matter, it's just about having a couple of different colors to try it out. And here I have my sheet of paper, and I'm going to practice the word when. So one way you can do it is just writing W-H-E-N, and I like to say the letter as I'm spelling it, W-H-E-N, when. Then I'll take another color, and I'm just going to go over it. W-H-E-N, when. I'll take another color, W-H-E-N, when. And I think I'll do one more. No more than four, because it's even 4 letters in my word. W-H-E-N, when. That's one way you can do rainbow writing. Another way is where you take maybe three or four, no more than four, of crayons and practice writing it over and over again. So I'll start with purple. I could do W-H-E-N, when. I'm going to do a comma, because I know a comma when I'm making a list that shows that there's one here, pause, one here, pause, one here. W-H-E-N, comma, W-H-E-N. And it's all in purple. Then I'll choose another color, choose green, and do the same thing. W-H-E-N, when, W-H-E-N, when, W-H-E-N, when. Notice I'm not doing like 10, 12 different colors because I want to do a rainbow write, but I also want to keep the learning going. I'll do one more. I'm not going to do all four just to show you. W-H-E-N, when. W-H. Again, really spelling it out as I'm writing it is going to help stick in my brain. W-H-E-N, when. So we have one way to do it here, going over and over again. We have another way. Here is an option. You can also alternate your crayons by each letter. So maybe option 3 can look something like this. W, H, E, N, when. And I would do that for each of my different words that I'm practicing. So this is one example, or actually 3 examples, of how you can do rainbow write at home. You don't need to print anything out. You don't need to do it actually on the Seesaw app if that's tricky for you. Just grab a piece of paper. It could be lined, it could be blank paper, it could be the back of some scrap paper, and try it out. This is rainbow write. Another activity that you can do is our roll and write. Sometimes we don't have dice at home, and so what I like to do is take some paper and do like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I might cut them out so they're each little squares, or rip them, crumble them, and stick them into like a bowl, close my eyes and pick, 4, and do my 4, because sometimes you don't have dice. Okay, so if you're doing a makeshift chart at home, same piece of paper, you can do it this way, or you could turn it sideways. The red line here on this side is next to the dots, so it might be kind of hard, but if you look closely, it's on both sides, the red line, and maybe you can see underneath it. So I can see the red line. I'm just going to trace it this way, and then I might just go down. Maybe every 3. 1, 2, 3, go down. 1, 2, 3, go, maybe 4, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down. Let's see what I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful, that worked out really well for me. That's okay, I can go over here too. Okay, so then I'll put my words down here. Maybe my word is about. Maybe my word is people. What? First. So your words you could put down at the bottom, and then every time you either roll your dice or you use your piece of paper crumpled up and dip it into the bowl. Oh, if I rolled or picked out number 4, I look and see it's first. Now I can start at the bottom and I would write F-I-R-S-T. I like to say it as I'm spelling it and work my way up. Or I could start at the top and work my way down. It's entirely up to you. Then I would roll my dice, or I would find a new piece of paper, crumple, 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 pick up. Oh, now I rolled a 1. About. A-B-O-U-T, about. Okay, toss it back in, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. If I roll another 1 again or another 4, I just add another about on top or a first on top here. So these are 2 activities that we've really done in class, and then you can make it home in case your printer's not working or another brother or sister grown up is using the computer at the moment. This is something you can do on your own. Anyway, I hope this helped, and I'll be around if you need any assistance. Enjoy, and off you pop.